For making a Maja Blanca are fresh gata, white sugar, cornstarch, evaporada, condensada, and cream corn for the total of 252 pesos. First off, turn on the pot and set it to boil water. The first ingredient that we are going to put is the gata or coconut milk. Now, we are going to put the evaporated milk. After that, we are going to put the condensed milk. We are also going to put a can of cream-style corn. Add water. Mix it well. Add sugar in the pot and mix it again. While waiting for the pot to boil, we are going to dissolve the cornstarch to water, where we mix and crush the cornstarch. When it finally boils, we are going to add the cornstarch that we have dissolved earlier and mix it well again. Wait for 5 minutes and then transfer the mixture to a tray. Finally, the last step is to let it cool down. This is how you are going to make a Maja Blanca. Pretty easy, right? Thank you so much for watching.